Question number 101. A rectangular plate 8 cm long and 6 cm wide is subjected to normal force of 600 kg at 6 cm side and 200 kg at 8 cm side. The normal and tangential components of force on the diagonal plane will be option A 200 kg and 600 kg, option B 520 kg and 360 kg, option C is 800 kg and 400 kg, option D unpredictable, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. It will be 520 kg and 360 kg. Question number 102. The tensile stress in a conical rod having diameter d at bottom, small d at top, length small l, and subjected to tensile force capital F at distance small x from small end will be option A is a 4f divided by pi d square, option B 4f divided by pi d square d small d square, option C is a 4f divided by pi in the small bracket capital D minus small d whole square, and option D is a 4fl square divided by pi in the capital bracket capital D minus small d x plus l d whole square, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. It will be 4fl square divided by pi and the big bracket capital D minus small d x plus l d and whole square. Question number 103. The deformation of a bar under its own weight compared to the deformation of same body subjected to a direct load equal to weight of the body is option A is the same, option B is double, option C is a half, option D is a 4 times, option E is a 1/4. Correct answer is a C. It will be half. Question number 104. The extension of a circular bar tapering uniformly from diameters d1 to d2 is same as the uniform circular bar of diameter, option A d1 plus d2 divided by 2, option B d1 minus d2 divided by 2, option C under root of d1 d2, and option D under root of d1 square minus d2 square, and option E is a d1 into d2 power 3 by 2. Correct answer is a C. It will be under root of d1 into d2. Question number 105. The extension of a circular bar of length small l is a tapering from d1 to d2 and subjected to axial pull capital F is force is option A FL divided by pi E d1 d2, option B 4FL divided by pi d1 d2, option C 4FL divided by pi E under root of d1 d2, and option D is a 4FL divided by pi E in the small bracket d1 plus d2, and option E is FL divided by 2 pi E d1 into d2. So correct answer is A. It will be 4FL divided by pi E d1 d2. Question number 106. The elongation of a freely hanging uniform steel rope, if its length is doubled, will increase in the ratio of option A 2 raised to 1, option B 1 raised to 1, option C is 4 raised to 1, and option D is 8 raised to 1, and option E is 16 raised to 1. Correct answer is C. it will be 4 raised to 1. Question number 107. Young's modulus is defined as the ratio of option A longitudinal stress to longitudinal strain, option B lateral strain to longitudinal strain, option C lateral stress to longitudinal strain, option D longitudinal stress to lateral strain. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It will be longitudinal stress to longitudinal strain. Question number 108. If a material is loaded beyond yield point stress, option A it becomes elastic, option B it becomes ductile, option C its resistance to fatigue increases, option D it loses its tendency to return to its original shape, option E it's become brittle. Correct answer is a D. It loses its tendency to return to its original shape. Question number 109. If all the dimension of a prismatic bar be increased in the ratio of k raised to 1, then maximum stress produced in the bar due to its own weight will increase in the following ratio. Option A k raised to 1, option B is k square raised to 1, option C k cube raised to 1, and option D 1 raised to k, and option E is 1 raised to k square. Correct answer is A. It will be k raised to 1. Question number 110. Modulus of rigidity is defined as the ratio of option A linear stress to longitudinal strain, option B stress to volumetric strain, option C shear stress to shear strain, option D stress to strain, option E stress to longitudinal strain. Correct answer is C. It will be shear stress to shear strain. Question number 111. A body is subjected to 3 mutually perpendicular stresses of equal intensity. The ratio of direct stress to corresponding volumetric strain is called option A Poisson's ratio, option B bulk modulus, option C modulus of rigidity, option D Young's modulus, option E modulus of elasticity. Correct answer is B. It will be bulk modulus. Question number 112. A tapered bar of length small l with diameter capital D at base and having specific weight rho is suspended freely under its own weight. The elongation of bar will be option A rho l cube upon 6e, option B rho l cube upon e, option C rho l power cube and divided by 4e, and option D rho l cube divided by 3e, and option E is rho l cube divided by 2e. Correct answer is A. It will be rho l power cube power 3 and divided by 6e. Question number 113. A tapered bar of length small l has diameter capital D and small d at ends. If it is subjected to axial load F, then the elongation produced will be option A rho l divided by pi d capital and small d, option B rho l divided by capital D into small d, and option C pi rho L divided by capital D into small d, and option D is 16 pi rho L divided by d capital into small d, and option E is rho L divided by 16 pi capital D into small d. Correct answer is A. It will be rho L divided by pi capital D into small d. Question number 14. There are two bars, one prismatic and one conical. Length and weight of both are same. The ratio of their elongation due to their own weight will be option A 0.5:1, option B 1:1, option C is 3:1, option D is 1:2, option E is 1:3. Correct answer is C. It will be 3:1. Question number 115. In figure shows the relationship of various scales of hardness with respect to Bernoulli's number. Curve A is 4, option A is Rockwell, C option B is Vickers, option C is Rockwell B, option D is scleroscope, and option E is none of the above. So you can see here graph between Rockwell C, Rockwell B, and scleroscope, Bernoulli's number and Vickers number. So curve A is belong to option C is Rockwell B. This curve belong to Rockwell B. Okay. Question number 116. In figure of problem 115, curve B is for option A is Rockwell, C option B is Vickers, option C is Rockwell B, option D is a scleroscope, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is a B. It's Vickers. So curve B is belong to Vickers. Okay. Question number 117. In figure of problem 115, curve C is for option A is Rockwell, C option B is Vickers, option C is a Rockwell B, option D is a scleroscope, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is a D is a scleroscope. It means curve C is belong to scleroscope, this curve. Okay. Question number 118. In the figure of problem 115, curve D is 4. Option A is a Rockwell C, option B is Vickers, option C is Rockwell B, option D is a scleroscope, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It's a Rockwell C. Curve D is belong to Rockwell C. Curve D is belong to Rockwell C. Okay. Question number 119. A structure made up of several bars joined together is known as option A is beam, option B is column, option C is a strut, option D is a tie, and option E is a frame. Correct answer is E. It's called frame. Question number 120. A frame in which the numbers of members is just sufficient to keep it in equilibrium is known as option A theoretical frame, option B is perfect frame, option C is ideal frame, option D is a deficient frame, and option E is a redundant frame. Correct answer is a B. It's called perfect frame. Question number 121. The number of members in a perfect frame having J number of joint is equal to option A 2J minus 1, option B is 3J minus 2, option C is 2J minus 3, and option D 3J minus 1, option E is a 2J plus 3. Correct answer is a C. It will be 2J minus 3. Question number 122. The force acting along the circumference will cause stress in the wall in a direction normal to the longitudinal axis of cylinder. This stress is called option A longitudinal stress, option B is a hoop stress, option C is a yielded stress, option D is a ultimate stress, option E is a none of the above. Correct answer is B, it's called hoop stress. Question number 123. A boiler shell 200 centimeter diameter and plate thickness 1.5 centimeter is subjected to internal pressure of 1.5 mn per meter square, meganewton per meter square, then the hoop stress will be option A 30 meganewton per meter square, option B 50 meganewton per meter square, option C is a 100 meganewton per meter square, option D is a 200 meganewton per meter square, option E is a 300 meganewton per meter square. Correct answer is a C, it will be 100 meganewton per meter square. Question number 124. A cylindrical section having no joint is known as option A jointless section, option B homogeneous section, option C is perfect section, option D is a manufactured section, option E is a seamless section. So correct answer is E, it will be seamless section. Question number 125. Longitudinal stress in a thin cylinder is option A equal to the hoop stress, option B twice the hoop stress, option C is a half of the hoop stress, option D is a 1/4 of hoop stress, option E is 4 times the hoop stress. Correct answer is a C, it will be half of the hoop stress. Question number 126. The radius taken into consideration in calculating the stress in a hollow shaft subjected to torsion is option A inner radius, option B is outer radius, option C is a mean radius, option D is a both inner and outer radii, option E is a geometric mean of inner and outer radii. Correct answer is B, it will be outer radius. Question number 127. Thin cylinders are used to store, option A is water, option B is oil, option C is gas, option D is steam, option E is any one of the above. Correct answer is E, it will be any one of the above. It's a thin cylinders. Okay. Question number 128. The safe twisting moment for a compound shaft is equal to the option A maximum calculated volume, option B is minimum calculated value, option C mean value, option D is extreme value, option E is none of the above. So correct answer is B, it will be minimum calculated value. Question number 129. The ratio of maximum shear stress to maximum normal stress at any point in a solid circular shaft is option A is 1, option B is half, option C is 2, option D is 2 upon 3 and option E is 3/2. Correct answer is it will be 2. Question number 130. The torsional rigidity of a shaft is expressed by the option A, maximum torque it can transmit, option B, number of cycles it undergoes before failure, option C, elastic limit up to which it resists torsion, shear and bending stresses, option D, torque required to produce a twist of 1 radian per unit length of shaft, option E is the maximum power it can transmit at highest possible speed. Correct answer is a D, torque required to produce a twist of 1 radian per unit length of shaft. Question number 131. The strain energy stored in a solid circular shaft is proportional to option A, Gj means torsional rigidity of shaft, option B 1 upon Gj, option C is a Gj square, option D 1 upon Gj square, option E is 1 upon under root Gj. Correct answer is a B, it will be 1 upon Gj. Question number 132. In the case of thick cylinder, the ratio of cylinder diameter to wall thickness is less than or equal to option A is a 5, option B is a 10, option C is a 20, option D is a 40, option E is a 50. Correct answer is a C, it will be 20. Question number 133. If Ri, R subscript I and R subscript O be the inner and outer radii of a cylinder, then theory of thick cylinder can be applied when Ri upon Ro is equal to option A 1, option B is less than 1, option C is 1 upon 2, option D is less than 1.2 and option E is greater than 1.2. Correct answer is E, it will be greater than 1.2. Question number 134. The value of shear stress which is induced in the shaft due to the applied couple varies, option A, from maximum at the center to 0 at the circumference, option B, from 0 at the center to maximum at the circumference, option C is from maximum at the center to minimum at the circumference, option D, from minimum at the center to maximum at the circumference, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B, it's from 0 at the center to maximum at the circumference. Question number 135. A key is subjected to side pressure as well as is a shearing force. The pressure are called, option A, bearing stresses, option B is a fatigue stresses, option C is a crushing stresses, option D is a resultant stresses, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it's called bearing stresses. Question number 136. In a belt drive, the pulley diameter is doubled, the belt tension and pulley width remaining same. The changes required in key will be option A. Option A is increase key length, option B is increase key depth, option C is increase key width, option D is double all the dimensions, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is C, it will be increase the key width. Question number 137. Shear stress induced in a shaft subjected to tension will be option A, maximum at periphery and 0 at center. Option B, maximum at center. Option C, uniform throughout. Option D is a average value in center. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer is E, it will be none of the above. Question number 138. In the design of pulley, key and shafts are option A, all three are designed for the same strength. Option B, key is made weaker link. Option C, pulley is made weaker. And option D, shaft is made weaker. Option E is key is made strongest link. Correct answer is B, key is made weaker link. Question number 139. A column is fabricated by inserting one tube into another for a distance L and then brazing the two to make a homogeneous joint. The outside diameter of a small tube is 5 cm and whole column is subjected to compressive load of 1000 pi kg. The allowable compressive stress is 250 kg per centimeter square and shear stress 100 kg per centimeter square. The inside diameter of small tube is option A is 3 cm. Option B is 2 cm. Option C is 4 cm. Option D is 1 cm. Option E is 6 cm. Correct answer is A, it will be 3 cm. Question number 140. In above problem 139, the outside diameter of a bigger tube is option A, it will be 6 cm. Option B 7 cm. Option C is 7.5 cm. Option D is 6.4 cm. and option E is 12.8 cm. Correct answer is D, it will be 6.4 cm. Question number 141. In above problem 139, the length L is option A is 5 cm. Option B is 3 cm. Option C is 2 cm. Option D is 1 cm. Option E is 4 cm. Correct answer is C, it will be 2 cm. Question number 142. A member is subjected to tensile force F and its normal cross section perpendicular to line of force is A. The resulting normal stress in an oblique plane inclined at angle theta to transfer plane will be option A, P upon A cos square theta. Option B, P upon 2A sin 2 theta. Option C is a PA into sin square theta. Option D, P upon 2A into cos 2 theta. Option E is a PA into cos 2 theta. Correct answer is A, it will be PA into cos square theta. Question number 143. In above problem 142, the resulting shear stress in oblique plane inclined at the angle theta to transfer plane will be option A, P upon A into cos square 2 theta. Option B, P upon 2A sin 2 theta. Option C, P upon A sin square theta. Option D, P upon 2A cos 2 theta. Option E, P upon 2A sin square theta. Correct answer is B, it will be P upon 2A sin 2 theta. Okay. Question number 144. Morse circle can be used to determine following stress on inclined surface. Option A. Option A is a principal stress. Option B is a normal stress. Option C is a tangential stress. Option D is a maximum shear stress. And option E is all of the above. Correct answer is E, it's all of the above. Question number 145. Which of the following constitutes statically determinate beams. Which of the following constitutes statically determinate beams? Option A, simply supported cantilevers and overhang beams. Option B, cantilevers and fixed beams. Option C, continuous beams and beams carrying uniformly distributed loads. Option D is fixed beams and simply supported beams. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It will be simply supported cantilevers and overhang beams. Question number 146. At the principal planes, option A, the normal stress is maximum or minimum and the shear stress is 0. Option B, the tensile and compressive stress are 0. Option C, the tensile stress is 0 and shear stress is a maximum. Option D is no stress acts. Option E is all the stresses are maximum. Correct answer is A. It means at the principal planes the normal stress is a maximum or minimum and the shear stress is 0. Question number 147. 147. If a material is subjected to a tensile load, then to avoid the shear failure of a material along a plane inclined at 45 degrees to the direction of the tensile stress, the material should have its shear strength at least equal to option A, its tensile strength, option B, half the tensile strength, option C, its compressive strength, option D is a principal stress, option E is a half the difference of tensile and compressive stresses. Correct answer is a B, half the tensile strength. Question number 148. The longitudinal stresses induced in a thin walled cylindrical vessel is option A, PD upon 2T, option B, PD upon 4T, option C, PD upon T, option D is a PD upon 3T, option E is PD upon 6T. Correct answer is B, it will be PD upon 4T. Question number 149. A flat plate with fillets of radius R shown in figure is subjected to tensile loading. As the value H upon R increases, the stress contractions factor will concentration factors stress concentration factors will option A is decreases, option B is increase, option C is remain same, option D is unpredictable, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is B, it will be increases. Question number 150. In figure of problem 149, as the value H upon D is increases, the stress concentration factor will option A is decreases, option B is increase, and option C is remain same, option D is unpredictable, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it will be decreases. Question number 151. The elongation produced in a tapered shaft with end diameters D1 and D2 due to tensile or compressive axial load is proportional to option A, D1 plus D2, option B, 1 upon D1 plus D2, option C is D1 into D2, option D is 1 upon D1 into D2, and option E is under root of 1 upon D1 into D2. Correct answer is D, it will be 1 upon D1 into D2. Question number 152. Shown in the figure, the effect of mean stress on the variable stress for failure which is correct curve. In this curve you can see the variable stress on vertical and horizontal is the mean stress, and option A is curve A, option B is curve B, option C is curve C, and option D is curve D, and option E is curve E. So correct answer is A in this. The effect of mean stress on a variable stress for failure curve A, it means this one, this curve. Question number 153. The circumferential stress induced in a thin-walled cylindrical vessel is option A, PD upon 2T, option B, PD upon 4T, option C, PD upon T, option D, PD upon 3T, and option E is PD upon 6T. So correct answer is A, it will be PD upon 2T. Question number 154. The forces in the various member of a perfect frame can be found out from option A, method of joints, option B, method of section, option C is a graphical method, option D, any one of the above, option E is a none of the above. Correct answer is a D, any one of the above. Question number 155. The maximum load to which fillet joint of length capital L can be subjected to equal to option A, 0.7 into permissible shear stress into fillet size into capital L, option B, 2 into permissible shear stress into fillet size into capital L, option C, permissible shear stress into fillet size into capital L, and option D is permissible shear stress into fillet size into L divided by 3, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it will be 0.7 into permissible shear stress into fillet size into capital L. Question number 156. A large cylindrical vessel was sealed in summer. What is likely to happen to it in winter? Option A, nothing, option B is explode, option C is buckle and collapse, option D is become lighter, option E is a seal will get loosened. So correct answer is a C, it will be buckle or collapse. Question number 157. Determine the smallest hole that can be punched in a plate of thickness small t if maximum crushing stress is punches of 4 times the shear stress of plate. Option A is small t, option B t by 2, option C 2t, and option D is a t by 4, and option E is a 4t. Correct answer is A, it will be T. Question number 158. The pressure vessels are not made of rectangular shape because option A, these are difficult to fabricate, option B, they are not economical, option C, they do not give pleasing appearance, and option D, it has been practiced to use cylindrical vessels, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B, they are not economical. Question number 159. A spherical vessel with an inside diameter of 2 meter is made of material having an allowable stress in tension of 500 kg per centimeter square. The thickness of a shell to withstand a pressure of 25 kg per centimeter square should be option A, 5 cm, option B is a 10 cm, option C is a 2.5 cm, option D is a 1.25 cm, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C, it will be 2.5 cm. Question number 160. Unit of strain are option A dimensionless, option B centimeter upon centimeter, option C kg per centimeter square per centimeter, and option D kg per centimeter, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it's a dimensionless. Question number 161. A cylindrical bar of capital L meters deforms by small l centimeter. The strain in bar is option A small l divided by capital L, option B 0.1 L divided by capital L, option C 0.01 L divided by capital L, option D 100 into L divided by capital L, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C, it will be 0.01 L divided by capital L. Question number 162. A cylindrical steel bar having length of 0.25 meter is subjected to a tensile force of 2000 kg. If stress and total elongation are not to exceed 1000 kg per centimeter square and 0.01 centimeter respectively, and E is equal to 2 into 10 the power 6 kg per centimeter square, then its cross-sectional area should be option A 2 centimeter square, option B 2.5 centimeter square, option C is 2.25 centimeter square, and option D is a 5 centimeter square, and option E is unpredictable. So correct answer is B, it will be 2.5 centimeter square. Question number 163. A rigid beam of negligible weight is supported in a horizontal position by two rods of steels and aluminium, 2 meter and 1 meter long, having values of cross-sectional area 1 centimeter square and 2 centimeter square, and E is of 2 into 10 the power 6 kg per centimeter square and 1 into 10 the power 6 kg per centimeter square respectively. What is the guideline for placing a load P on a beam such that it remains horizontal? Option A is a force on both rods should be equal. Option B, force on aluminium rod should be twice the force on a steel. Option C, force on a steel rod should be twice the force on aluminium. Option D is unpredictable, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. Force on aluminium rod should be twice the force on steel. Question number 164. In problem 163, determine the position of P with respect to steel rod if beam length is 2 meter. Option A, in the middle of the beam. Option B, 1.33 meter from the steel rod. Option C, 0.67 meter from steel rod. Option D, 1.66 meter from steel rod, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is a B, it will be 1.33 meter from the steel rod. Question number 165. A load of 20,000 kg applied to a brass cylinder 40 centimeter long and 10 centimeter in the diameter caused the length to increase 0.8 centimeter and the diameter to decreases is a 0.005 centimeter. Poisson's ratio of bar is option A 0.25, option B 0.925, option C 0.4, option D 2.5, option E is 4. Correct answer is A, it will be 0.25. Question number 166. A load of 10,000 kg is supported on 3 columns, 2 steel and 1 bronze, all the equal length and equal cross-sectional area of 10 cm square initially. Determine temperature change necessary to just relieve the bronze column of all stresses. Alpha S is equal to 10 into 10 the power minus 6 centimeter per centimeter degree centigrade, and alpha B is 20 into 10 the power minus 6 centimeter per centimeter degree centigrade, and ES is equal to 2 into 10 the power 6 kg per centimeter square, and EB will be equal to 1 into 10 the power 6 kg per centimeter square. So option A is a 25 degrees centigrade decreases, option B 12.5 degrees centigrade increases, and option C is a 1.25 degree centigrade is decreases, and option D is a 2.5 degree centigrade decreases, and option E is a 1.25 degree centigrade increases. Question number 167. A composite bar of copper and steel is heated. The ratio of tensile force in steel and the compressive stress in copper will be option A 1, option B 0.5, option C 2, option D in proportion of value E of copper and steel. Option E inversely proportional to value of E of copper and steel. So correct answer is A, it will be 1. Question number 168. A steel bar and a brass bar, each of 1 meter length and cross-sectional area 10 centimeters square and 20 centimeters square, each secured to a rigid support, are rested at their free ends by a pin. If temperature drops by 25 degrees centigrade, the pin will be loaded by option A 2500 kg, option B 25,000 kg, option C 250 kg, option D 25 kg, option E is none of the above. You can take alpha S is equal to 10 into 10 the power minus 6 centimeter per centimeter degree centigrade. Option B, alpha B you can take 20 into 10 the power minus 6 centimeter per centimeter degree centigrade, and option again ES will be 2 into 10 the power 6 kg per centimeter square, and EB will be 1 into 10 the power 6 kg per centimeter square. So correct answer is A, it will be 2500 kgs. Question number 169. A composite bar made of steel and copper is heated up. The stresses developed in a steel and copper will be option A compressive and tensile, option B compressive and bending, option C is bending and tensile, option D is tensile and compressive, option E is tensile and torsional. Correct answer is D, it will be tensile and compressive respectively. Question number 170. The relationship between modulus of elasticity capital E and modulus of rigidity capital G is option A. E is equal to G into 1 plus mu. Option B, G is equal to E in the small bracket 2 minus mu. Option C, G is equal to E upon E divided by 2 into 1 plus mu, and option D, G is equal to E divided by 1 plus 2 mu, and option E is G is equal to 2E divided by 1 plus 2 mu, where the mu is a Poisson's ratio. So Correct answer is a C. It will be G, equal to E divided by 2 in the small bracket 1 plus mu. Question number 171. Volumetric strain of a rectangular body subjected to an axial force. In terms of linear strain small e and Poisson's ratio mu is equal to option A, E into 1 minus 2 mu, option B, E into 1 minus mu, option C, E into 1 minus 3 mu, option D, E into 1 plus mu, option E, E into 1 plus 2 mu. So correct answer is A, it will be E into 1 plus 2 mu. Question number 172. A cube is subjected to 3 mutually perpendicular tensile stresses S. The volumetric strain will be option A, 3S divided by capital E in the small bracket 1 minus 2 mu, option B, E divided by 3S in the small bracket 1 minus 2 mu, and option C, E divided by 3S into 2 mu minus 1, and option D, 3S divided by E in the small bracket 2 mu minus 1, and option E, S divided by E and 1 minus 2 mu. Correct answer is A, it will be 3S divided by E in the small bracket 1 minus 2 mu. Question number 173. The Poisson's ratio determined by taking readings when a load is applied gradually compared to that with load applied at a faster rate would be option A is the same, option B is different, option C is a more or less same, option D is depends on other factors, option E none of the above. Correct answer is a B, it's a different. Question number 174. Bulk modulus capital K in terms of modulus of elasticity capital E and Poisson's ratio mu is given as equal to option A, capital E divided by 3 in the small bracket 1 minus 2 mu, option B, capital E into 1 minus 2 mu, option C, 3E in the small bracket 1 minus 2 mu, and option D, capital E divided by 3 in the small bracket 1 plus 2 mu, and option E is capital E divided by 3 in the small bracket 1 minus 3 mu. Correct answer is A, it will be capital E divided by 3 in the small bracket 1 minus 2 mu. 2 mu is the relation between K, E and mu. Question number 175. A solid cube is subjected to equal normal forces of the similar nature on all the faces. The ratio of volumetric strain and linear strain in any of the 3 axes will be option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, and option D under root 3, and option E is a value depend on Poisson's ratio. So correct answer is C, it will be 3. Question number 176. A structural member subjected to an axial compressive force is called option A beam, option C is a column, option C is a frame, option D is a strut, option E is a structure. Correct answer is a D, it's called a strut. Question number 177. The ratio of shear modulus to the modulus of elasticity if Poisson's ratio is a 2.5 will be option A 0.4, option B is 0.25, option C is a 4, option D is a 0.5, option E is a 2. Correct answer is A, it will be 0.4. Question number 178. Two solid shafts are made of same material and have their diameters capital D and capital D divided by 2. The ratio of strength of bigger shaft to smaller one in torsion is option A is 4, option B is 2, option C is 8, option D is 16, option E is 32. Correct answer is C, it will be 8. Question number 179. The strain energy stored in a hollow shaft of outer and inner diameters capital D and small d subjected to shear stresses, stress S subscript small s, and having modulus of rigidity capital C is equal to option A SS square divided by 4c in the small bracket d capital D square minus small d square divided by capital D and into volume. Option B is SS square divided by 2c in the small bracket d square minus small d square divided by d and into volume. Option C is S subscript s and divided by 4c and multiply by capital small in the small bracket d square minus d square divided by d and into volume. And option D is S square divided by 2c in the small bracket d square minus d square divided by d square into volume. And option E is SS square divided by 4c in the small bracket d square plus d square and divided by d and into volume. Correct answer is A, and it's S subscript s square divided by 4c in the small bracket capital D square minus small d square divided by d and into volume. Question number 180. Compare the strength of solid and hollow shaft. Compare the strengths of solid and hollow shafts both having outside diameter capital D and hollow shaft having inside diameter of d by 2 in torsion. The ratio of strength of solid to hollow shaft in torsion will be option A 0.5, option B 0.75, option C is 15/16, and option D is 0.25, and option E is 1/16. Correct answer is C, it will be 15/16. Question number 181. Torsion bars are in series. Option A if same torque acts in each. Option B if they have equal angles of twists and an applied torque apportionated between them. And option C is are not possible. And option D if their ends are welded together. And option is none of the above. Correct answer is A. Torsion bars are in series if same torque act in each. Question number 182. 100 kilowatt is to be transmitted by each of the two separate shafts. 100 kilowatt. A is turning at 250 rpm and B at 300 rpm. Which shaft must have a greater diameter? Option A is capital A, option B is a shaft B, and option C is both will have same diameter, and option D is unpredictable, and option is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it will be the shaft A have a greater diameter. Question number 183. Torsional rigidity of a solid circular shaft of the diameter small d is proportional to option A small d, option B is d square, option C is 1/d square, option D is d power 4, and option E is 1/d power 4. Correct answer is D, it will be d power 4. Question number 184. The ratio of maximum shear stress to the average shear stress in a case of circular beam transmitting power is equal to option A 3/2, option B 4/3, and option C is 7/4, and option D is 2, and option E is 5/2. Correct answer is B. It will be 3/4. Sorry, 4/3. It will be 4/3. Question number 185. The ratio of maximum shear stress to the average shear stress in a rectangular beam subjected to torsion is option A 3/2, option B 4/3, option C 7/4, option D 2, and option E is 5/2. Correct answer is A. It will be 3/2. Question number 186. The elongation of a closed colloid helical spring subjected to tensile load is proportional to option A mean diameter of spring, option B reciprocal of length of spring, option C diameter of wire of coil, and option D shear modulus of the material of spring, option E reciprocal of mean diameter of spring. So correct answer is A. It will be mean diameter of spring. Question number 187. The minimum thickness of the minimum thickness of it's a flange, I think, of a flange forged at the end of a shaft is determined by the option A compression between two flanges, option B is a tightening of bolts, and option C is a fact that it must be sufficient to prevent the shaft from shearing out of the flange on the cylindrical surface, option D any one of the above, option E is a maximum of the above. Correct answer is C. The minimum thickness of a flange forged at the end of a shaft is determined by the fact that it must be sufficient to prevent the shaft from shearing out of the flange on the cylindrical surface. Question number 188. Compression members tend to buckle in the direction of option A axis of load, option B perpendicular to axis of load, option C minimum cross section, option D least radius of gyration, and option E is unpredictable. Correct answer is D. It's a least radius of gyration. Question number 189. Moment of inertia of an area is always least with respect to option A bottommost axis, option B radius of gyration, option C is a central axis, and option D is a centroidal axis, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. It will be centroidal axis. Question number 190. Torsion bars are in parallel if option same, option A is if same torque acts on each, option B if they have equal angle of twists and applied torque apportionated between them, and option C is are not possible, and option D if their ends are connected together, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. It will be if they have equal angles of twists and applied torque apportionated between them. Question number 191. When the external forces and moments that support an object can be found by the equation of statics alone, the subject is said to be option A is a free body, option B is a statically determined, and option C is a statically indeterminate, and option D is a homogeneous, and option is none of the above. Correct answer is B, it will be statically determinate. Okay, reading the question again. When the external forces and moments that support an object can be found by the equation of statics alone, the subject is said to be statically determinate. Okay. Question number 192. The reactions of each support of a beam can be determined from following conditions of equilibrium. Option A, algebraic sum of all vertical forces in 0 is a 0. Option B, algebraic sum of all horizontal forces is 0. Option C, algebraic sum of moments about any point is 0. Option D, all of the above, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D, it's all of the above. Question number 193. Section modulus capital Z is expressed as option A, I upon Y, option B, E upon I, option C, M upon I, option D, E into I, option E, I subscript Y. Correct answer is A, it will be I upon Y. Question number 194. The section modulus of a circular section about an axis through its center of gravity is option A, pi d cube upon 16, option B, pi d cube upon 32, option C, pi d cube upon 64, option D is a pi d square divided by 32, and option E is a pi d cube upon 8. Correct answer is a B, it will be pi d cube divided by 32. Question number 195. If the section modulus of a beam decreases, then bending stress will, option A is decrease, option B is increase, option C is remain same, option D is there is no such correlation, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B, it will be increases. Question number 196. For a given stress, the ratio of moment of resistance of a square beam with its sides horizontal compared to when the diagonal is horizontal is, option A is 2, option B is under root 2, option C is 1.2, option D is 1.5, and option E is 2 under root 2. Correct answer is B, it will be under root 2. Question number 197. The moment diagram for a cantilever beam subjected to bending moment at end of beam will be, option A rectangular, option B is a triangle, option C is a parabola, option D is a cubic parabola, option E is a elliptical. Correct answer is A, it will be rectangle. Question number 198. If the load at free end on a cantilever is increased, so as to case rupture same will occur, option A below the load, option B at fixed end, option C between fixed end and the center, option D is at center, and option E is between center and free end. Correct answer is B, it will be at the fixed end. Question number 199. Figure A show as a center load on a beam supported firmly at the ends. The bending moment diagram for it will be as shown in the figure. B, C, D or E below. Okay, because figure A is belong to the beam and its load. So option A, that diagram show the bending moment diagram. And okay, I'm reading the options. So what will be the correct option? Option A is a B, option B is a C, and option D is a D, and option D is a E, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is a C. It will be D. It means this curve, this diagram show the bending moment diagram for this beam. Question number 200. Shear force at any point on the beam is the algebraic sum of option A, all vertical forces, option B, all horizontal forces, option C, forces on their side of on either side of the point, option D, moments of forces on either side of the point, and option is all of the above. Correct answer is C. Shear force at any point on the beam is the algebraic sum of force on either side of the point.